Welcome for the second session of pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 mathematics. How we can find the solution of the linear equation in two variables? Up to yesterday we discussed about the general form of the linear equations in two variables or system of the linear equations which are nothing but in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, where modulus of a1 plus modulus of b1 is not equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where modulus of a2 plus modulus of b2 is not equal to 0. Yesterday we discussed about whether the solution of the given pair of the linear equations is exist or not exist. If it is exist, it is the unique solution or it has the many solutions. So, yesterday extension only we can discuss today. How we can find the solution of such for the pair of linear equations? There are the four methods. Generally, we have the three methods. What are the three methods? The first one is the graphical method. We can represent, we know that one, a linear equation always represent in the two variables a straight line. This is also one more straight line. How the two straight lines? If the two straight lines are parallel, they are intersecting or they are coincident. Apart the three situations we have discussed. By the three situations, we can find out the solution. The second one is substitution method. In the substitution method, in the two equations, the first equation, from the first equation, you have to get the y value. That y value is substituted in the second equation, then we are getting the x value. Though the x value, we are substituting in the first equation, then you are getting the y value. That method is called the substitution method. The third one is the elimination method. Elimination method means we can make to equal the coefficients of either y term or x term in the given two linear expressions. If it is not equal, by multiplying a number, we can make them as equal and do the subtraction or addition. Then we are eliminating those terms. Then we can find out the values. The fourth one, reducible into pair of linear equations. He has given some linear equations which are not the pair of system of linear equations, but we can do some modifications or we can do some assumptions. Then we can convert them as the given equations as pair of linear equations, then we can find the solution. Now, today we are discussing about the graphical method. By using the graphical method, how we can find out the solution of a given pair of linear equations in two variables or system of linear equations. Yesterday class, we discussed about that one. Whenever he has given us a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. For these two, we can represent as both are represented as straight lines. How we can represent the straight line? Means we can calculate the ordered pair. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 is the equation. We can take the randomly y values. The y values we can substitute in the first equation. Then we are getting as the corresponding x values. Already we discussed about the chapter 3 polynomial. How we can calculate the ordered pairs? In the same way, for the straight line, we can take as the randomly 1 or 2 y values. Then the corresponding x values we are getting. So those are values we can represent on the graph paper. Then we join those the points. Then we are getting the straight line a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Go for the second linear equation. That is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. For this one also, we have to apply 2 or 3 order pairs. Then those are points plot on the graph sheet and join. Then we are getting the straight line. That is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here these two lines are representing parallel lines. When this situation will occur, whenever a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then these two lines are representing as a parallel lines. In this case, there is no solution. There is no solution. Means the solution does not exist for the given system of linear equations. If suppose the line first the line of this one first represent as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 as a straight line. The order pairs of the second linear equation, whenever we join, that line intersects the previous line at one point. Then that is called the common order pair for both the equations. That means there is a solution of the given pair of linear equations in two variables. So the corresponding x value will be used as the x value, the corresponding y value will be used as the y value. The coordinates of the point will be used as the solution of the given pair of linear equations. In this case, whatever the coefficients of x and y variables, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If suppose the line represented by a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 is this one, and for second one also, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 also fallen on the first line. The order pairs of first linear equation and the second equation both are fallen on the same line only. At the time, the two lines are called coincident lines. The two lines are called coincident lines. Moreover, these coincident lines are nothing but known as dependent lines. One line is dependent on another one. In this case, what is the relation between the coefficients of the variables is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So like that, we can represent the graphs. In our exercise 14.1, in the second Roman, he has given some sums which are related to the concept to find out the solution by using the graphical method only, not by using that substitution method or elimination method. He asked the graphical method means you have to find out particularly graphical method. Before that one, he asked check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent, solve them graphically. First we can go for the one. Yesterday we discussed to compare with their coefficients and we check a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Whether a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, the system is inconsistent. You can't find out the solution. Then you can go for the graphical method and you can verify the given lines are parallel. That's why you can't find out the solution. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, at the time the equations are consistent with unique solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, at the time the given equations are consistent equations with infinite many solutions. Every point on this line will become as a solution of the given two lines. Here, only this point will become as the solution of these two lines. In the first case, there is no solution is possible for the given system of linear equations or pair of linear equations. By using this concept, we have to do the sums related to this concept by using the graph papers in our textbook. In exercise 4.1, the second Roman, he has given us the 9 problems. We can solve the 9 problems. Today, we have to do 3 sums. Next day, 3. Next day, 3. Like that, we can complete on or before Monday. Monday, we have to discuss about the remaining sums in the exercise 4.1. Now, it is the time to do the assignment. So, I will send you a photo for the assignment. You can do those sums daily 3 in a graph paper. Those sums you can take your photos and send to me. Thank you.